Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the properties of amines. Properties of amines. So actually some properties are completed in previous class. So first property reaction with hydrochloric acid. Second property alkylation of amines. Third property acetyl chloride. Fourth property benzoyl chloride. C6H5C1OCl. Fifth one reaction with benzoate. Sixth one reaction with benzene sulfonic chloride or Innsbruck reagent. Seventh one carbylamine reaction or phenyl isocyanate test. And eighth one is diazotization. So these properties are completed in previous class. And next ninth property of amines. Ninth property of amines. Actually topic name properties of amines. Properties of amines. And ninth property. So topic name properties of amines. Properties of amines. Okay, properties of amines. So ninth property, very simple property. React with bromine molecule with water. H2O, bromine by water, bromine water. So first of all, our compound aniline formula C6H5NH2. Compound name is aminobenzene or aniline. Okay, aminobenzene or aniline. And aniline react with bromine water. So for example, 3 moles of bromine molecule, 3 Br2 in the presence of water formula H2O, compulsory water, bromine water. Very simple. 1 mole of hydrogen, next second hydrogen atom, third hydrogen atom, 3 hydrogens and addition of 3 bromine atoms. So byproduct is 3 moles of HBr, hydrogen bromide. Remaining answer aromatic ring and cyclic ring. Okay, cyclic ring. Next NH2, right? NH2. Next remaining 3 bromine atoms. Addition of first bromine atom, second bromine atom, next third bromine atom. Compound name is tribromo aminobenzene or aniline. Tribromo aniline. So very important property. Reaction with bromine water. So aniline formula C6H5NH2 plus 3 moles of bromine in the presence of water, and byproduct is 3 moles of HBr. First hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom, third hydrogen atom, 3 hydrogens, and addition of 3 bromine atoms, so 3 HBr. Remaining answer tribromo aniline or 2, 4, 6 tribromo aniline. Next one, oxidation of aniline. Oxidation of amines or oxidation of aniline. So generally aniline formula C6H5NH2. Okay, C6H5NH2 aniline or aminobenzene. In the presence of oxidizing agent, strong oxidizing agent, that is K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate by sulfuric acid H2SO4. So oxidation, that means addition of oxygen atoms. For example, addition of 3 oxygen atoms. Then aniline directly converted into benzoquinone. Aniline directly converted into benzoquinone. So it says benzoquinone. Double bond O, benzoquinone. So this is double bond O. So benzoquinone. And byproduct is very simple, hydroxylamine. That means H2N bond OH. So very simple, 2 hydrogen atoms. So 2 hydrogen atoms. Next 1 nitrogen atom. Next 3 oxygen atoms. So first and second, 3 oxygen atoms. Okay. So byproduct is hydroxylamine. Formula H2N bond OH. So first of all, aniline in the presence of K2Cr2O7 and sulfuric acid, one of the strong oxidizing agent. Oxidation means addition of oxygen atoms. Then aniline directly converted into benzoquinone, and byproduct is hydroxylamine H2N bond OH. Okay. So bromine water. Next one, oxidation. And next property, very important. Next one. Next one, 11th property. How is aniline converted into amino benzene converted into para-nitroaniline? Para-nitroaniline. So aniline converted to aniline to para-nitroaniline. Aniline to para-nitroaniline. Para-nitroaniline. And question is, how is aniline converted into para-nitroaniline? Para-nitroaniline. Aniline converted into para-nitroaniline. Very simple. First of all, aniline or amino benzene formula C6H5NH2. Okay, C6H5NH2. So this is aniline or amino benzene. And question is, how is aniline converted into para-nitroaniline? Okay, aniline formula C6H5NH2. And aniline reacts with acyl chloride formula CH3 C double bond O Cl. So acetyl chloride. Okay. So removal of one hydrogen atom, one chlorine atom. So removal of HCl, hydrochloric acid. Remaining answer C6H5NH C double bond O CH3. So remaining answer is C6H5, okay, NH C double bond O CH3. C double bond O CH3. C6H5NH C double bond O CH3. And compound name is acetonylide. Compound name is acetonylide. And further acetonylide react with nitric acid. Nitric acid formula HNO3. Nitric acid formula HNO3. Nitric acid. So very simple. In para position, 1 mole of hydrogen. Okay, 1 mole of OH. So removal of water. So remaining answer, say aromatic ring or cyclic ring, right? Next NH C double bond O CH3. Aromatic ring NH C double bond O CH3, and addition of NO2 group in para position NO2. Okay. So compound name is para-nitroacetonylide. First one aniline, second one acetonylide, next para-nitroacetonylide. Generally acetonylide formula C6H5NH C double bond O CH3, and acetonylide react with nitric acid formula HNO3. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of OH, removal of water. Remaining answer aromatic ring NH C double bond O CH3, and para position NO2, para-nitroacetonylide. And further para-nitroacetonylide react with water molecule formula H plus and OH minus ion. So very simple answer. CH3 C double bond O OH. So byproduct is acetic acid. CH3, okay, C double bond O OH. Byproduct is acetic acid. Remaining answer. So CH3 C double bond O OH. Clear. Remaining answer aromatic ring NH plus hydrogen NH2 and NO2. So aromatic ring, okay, aromatic ring. Next NH plus hydrogen NH2, and para position NO2 group. So compound name is para-nitroaniline. Okay. And question is, how is aniline converted into para-nitroaniline? So aniline and aniline converted into para-nitroaniline. So formula C6H4NH and NO2. Okay. So first of all aniline react with acyl chloride CH3 C double bond O Cl. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine, removal of HCl. So NH C double bond O CH3 acetonylide. Further nitric acid H plus and OH minus ion, removal of water. So para-nitroacetonylide H plus or OH minus ion. So CH3 C double bond O OH. Byproduct is acetic acid. Remaining answer C6H4NH2 and O2. Para-nitroaniline. Okay. And 11th one, very important. How is aniline converted into para-nitroaniline? Okay. And next one, say 12th property. Next one, 12th one. Say, how is aniline converted into last and final property? How is aniline converted into para-bromo aniline? How is aniline converted into para-bromo aniline? Para-bromo aniline. Very simple. Aniline converted into para-bromo aniline. Right. First of all, aniline. Say aniline formula C6H5NH2. C6H5NH2. Compound name is aniline. Compound name is aniline. And aniline react with acetyl chloride formula CH3 C double bond O Cl. Acetyl chloride formula CH3 C double bond O Cl. Very simple. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine, removal of HCl, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. So very simple answer, C6H5 NH C double bond O CH3 C6H5 NH C double bond O CH3. Compound name is acetonylide. Compound name is acetonylide. Okay, acetonylide. And further acetonylide react with bromo. So bromine molecule. Bromine molecule formula Br2. Bromine molecule formula Br2. Very simple. 1 mole of hydrogen, right? 1 mole of bromine. So removal of HBr. Para position hydrogen atom and bromine atom. Removal of HBr. So remaining answer aromatic ring and cyclic ring. Okay. Next NHC double bond O CH3. NHC double bond O CH3 and addition of bromine atom in para position. Para position. Okay. Para position. So compound name is para bromo acetonylide. Para bromo acetonylide. Further para bromo acetonylide react with water molecule RH plus OH minus ion. OH minus ion. H plus or OH minus ion. Very simple. CH3 C double bond O OH. So byproduct is acetic acid. CH3 C double bond O OH. Byproduct is acetic acid. Remaining answer cyclic ring. Right, cyclic ring. Next bromine atom in para position. Right. Next NH plus hydrogen NH2. Compound name is para bromo aniline. Para bromo aniline. Okay. And question is, how is aniline converted into para bromo aniline? So aniline to acetonylide, acetonylide into para bromo acetonylide, and para bromo acetonylide to para bromo aniline. Para bromo aniline. So this is how is aniline converted into para bromo aniline. So properties of amines completed. So one of the most important topic, that is amines. So preparation methods of amines, next properties of amines. Okay. Next topic, separate topic. Next topic, very important topic, that is benzene diazonium chloride salt. Benzene, okay, diazonium chloride salt. Chloride salt. Actually topic name diazonium salts, and best example of diazonium salt, that is benzene diazonium chloride salt. So third chapter or 13th chapter, 11th chapter is haloalkanes and halogens, 12th chapter organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen completed, and 13th chapter organic compounds containing nitrogen. So in 13th chapter, first topic is nitrobenzene and second topic is amines completed, and third topic is diazonium salts. Diazonium salts. And best example of diazonium salt, that is benzene diazonium chloride salt. Benzene diazonium chloride salt. Generally, benzene diazonium chloride salt formula C6H5. Okay. N2 plus Cl minus. Azo means nitrogen compounds. So this is benzene diazonium chloride salt formula. C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus benzene diazonium chloride salt. Benzene diazonium chloride salt. Okay. So actually topic name diazonium salts, and best example of diazonium salt, that is benzene diazonium chloride salt. Formula C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus. Okay. So first of all, heading preparation of benzene diazonium chloride salt. Preparation of benzene diazonium chloride salt. Only one method. That is diazotization. Only one method. That is diazotization. Only one method. That is diazotization. That means formation of diazonium salts. First of all, amino benzene or aniline. Formula C6H5NH2. Amino benzene or aniline. C6H5NH2. So this is aniline formula or amino benzene. And diazotization reagents. Sodium nitrite. Formula NaNO2 plus 2 moles of hydrochloric acid HCl. At 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. So aniline treated with or aniline react with sodium nitrite NaNO2 plus 2 moles of hydrochloric acid at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. Then aniline directly converted into our compound benzene diazonium chloride salt. Formula C6H5N2 plus Cl minus. So this is our compound benzene. Okay, diazonium chloride salt. Compound name is benzene diazonium chloride salt. Benzene diazonium means nitrogen, chloride salt. Benzene diazonium chloride salt. And byproducts are sodium chloride. Formula NaCl plus 2 moles of water. So this is diazotization. Only one preparation method. That is diazotization. Okay. So actually heading benzene diazonium chloride salt. Formula C6H5N2 plus Cl minus, and preparation of benzene diazonium chloride salt. Only one preparation method, that is diazotization. First of all, amino benzene or aniline C6H5NH2 plus sodium nitrite formula NaNO2 plus 2 moles of hydrochloric acid at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. Then aniline directly converted into our compound benzene diazonium chloride salt, and byproducts are NaCl plus water. So this is preparation of diazonium chloride salt. Okay. So only one preparation method. So preparation of diazonium chloride salt completed. And next heading, properties or chemical properties of diazonium chloride salt. Next heading, properties. Chemical properties or properties. Properties of benzene diazonium chloride salt. Benzene diazonium chloride salt, or properties of diazonium salts. And best example of diazonium salt, that is benzene diazonium chloride salt. Okay. First property and most important neighbor reaction, that is Sandmeyer's reaction. One of the most important neighbor reaction, already completed in previous class. Sandmeyer's reaction. Okay. First of all, our compound benzene diazonium chloride salt, generally formula C6H5, okay, N2 plus X minus. Compound name is benzene diazonium halide salt. Halide, that means chloride, bromide, iodide, etc. So in this X minus means chloride and bromide. chloride and bromide. So benzene diazonium halide salt, and X means chloride or bromide. Chloride or bromide. So benzene diazonium chloride salt or benzene diazonium bromide salt. Chloride or bromide. Okay. In the presence of Sandmeyer's reagents, that is cuprous chloride Cu2Cl2 by HCl. Cu2Cl2 by HCl. Cuprous chloride by HCl. Next, or cuprous bromide Cu2Br2 by HBr, cuprous bromide by HBr, or cuprous cyanide CuCN by KCN, potassium cyanide. So these three are Sandmeyer's reagents. So benzene diazonium halide salt react with Sandmeyer's reagents, that is cuprous chloride by HCl, cuprous bromide by HBr, cuprous cyanide by KCN, potassium cyanide. Very simple. So chlorobenzene, okay, chlorobenzene. Next one, bromo, so bromobenzene, C6H5Br. Next one, cyanide, so cyanobenzene. So first one is chlorobenzene, second one bromobenzene, third one cyanobenzene. So byproduct is same, that is dinitrogen molecule, same nitrogen molecule, same nitrogen molecule. So this is Sandmeyer's reaction. Very, very important name of reaction. Benzene diazonium halide salt react with Sandmeyer's reagent, that is cuprous chloride by HCl, cuprous bromide by HBr, or cuprous cyanide by KCN. Chlorine, so chlorobenzene, bromine, bromobenzene, cyanide, cyanobenzene. Byproduct same, that is nitrogen molecule. Okay. So first one, Sandmeyer's reaction, right? Next, the second one, Gutterman reaction. Next one, second property of diazonium salts, that is Gutterman reaction. Gutterman reaction. Very simple. First of all, benzene diazonium halide salt, formula C6H5, okay, N2 plus X minus. So it is X is equal chloride or bromide. Okay, benzene diazonium halide salt. In the presence of Gutterman reagents, Sandmeyer's reagents, cuprous chloride by HCl, cuprous bromide by HBr, cuprous cyanide by KCN. That is Sandmeyer's reagents. Next, Gutterman reaction. So Gutterman reagents are copper metal Cu by Cl, hydrochloric acid. Next, or copper metal Cu by HBr, hydrobromic acid or hydrogen bromide. So Gutterman reagents, metal by HCl, copper metal by HCl, same copper metal by HBr. Okay. First one, chlorine. So chlorobenzene, C6H5Cl, and byproducts very simple, dinitrogen or nitrogen molecule N2 plus CuX, copper halide, CuX. Next one, bromine. So bromobenzene, right? Bromobenzene plus Cu. First of all, nitrogen molecule plus CuX, copper halide. So this is Gutterman reaction. Okay, benzene diazonium halide salt react with Gutterman reagents, that is copper by HCl or copper by HBr. So chlorine, chlorobenzene, bromine, bromobenzene. And byproduct same N2, nitrogen molecule, CuX, copper halide. Same N2, nitrogen molecule, CuX, copper halide. So this is Gutterman reaction. Very, very important in reaction. Sandmeyer's reaction and Gutterman reaction. Okay. So first property, Sandmeyer's reaction. Second property, Gutterman reaction. Okay. Next, third one. Third property of diazonium halide salt. Okay, first one Sandmeyer's reaction, first property. Second one Gutterman reaction. Third one action of potassium iodide. Formula Ki. Potassium iodide formula Ki. Very simple. First of all, benzene diazonium chloride salt, formula C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus. N2 plus Cl minus. Compound name is benzene. Benzene, right? Diazonium chloride salt. Benzene diazonium chloride salt. Formula C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus. React with potassium iodide formula Ki. Action of potassium iodide. Very simple. First of all, byproduct 1 molar potassium, 1 molar chlorine. So byproduct is KCl, potassium chloride. Next dinitrogen formula N2, nitrogen molecule formula N2. Remaining answer C6H5 and iodine. So C6H5. Okay. Next iodine formula I. So compound name is iodobenzene. Okay. So action of potassium iodide. So main product is iodobenzene and byproducts are potassium chloride and nitrogen molecule. And next one, action of water. Generally water formula H2O. First of all, our compound benzene diazonium chloride salt formula C6H5. Okay. N2 plus Cl minus. Plus water molecule formula H2O or H plus OH minus ion. Very simple. First of all, byproducts 1 molar of hydrogen, 1 molar of chlorine. So byproduct is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Next nitrogen molecule. 1 molar of hydrogen, 1 molar of chlorine, HCl. Next nitrogen molecule N2. Remaining answer C6H5OH. C6H5OH and compound name is phenol or hydroxybenzene. Okay. So first property Sandmeier's reaction. Second property Gutterman reaction. Third one action of potassium iodide. So product is iodobenzene. Fourth one action of water. So product is phenol. Phenol formula C6H5OH. Okay. Next fifth property. Fifth one. Next, fifth property, very simple property. React with hypophosphorus acid, formula H3PO2 plus water. Action of H3PO2 plus water. H3PO2 means hypophosphorus acid. First of all, our compound diazonium chloride salt C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus. Diazonium chloride salt, benzene diazonium chloride salt, plus H3PO2, that means hypophosphorus acid form H3PO2 plus water molecule formula H2O. First of all, byproducts very simple. H3PO2 plus 1 oxygen. For example, H3PO3 orthophosphorus acid. Next one, dinitrogen molecule formula N2 plus next one, hydrogen atom, 1 chlorine atom. So HCl, hydrochloric acid. Remaining answer C6H5 and remaining second hydrogen atom. So C6H6 and compound name is benzene. Okay. So first of all, benzene diazonium chloride salt react with hypophosphorus as H3PO2 plus water molecule. Okay. Then diazonium chloride salt directly converted into benzene and byproducts are H3PO3 phosphorus acid, nitrogen molecule plus hydrochloric acid formula HCl. And next one, react with chloroboric acid. Action of chloroboric acid formula HBF4. First of all, diazonium chloride salt or benzene diazonium chloride salt formula C6H5, right? N2 plus Cl minus. C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus. Benzene diazonium chloride salt. And benzene diazonium chloride salt react with chloroboric acid formula HBF4. Chloroboric acid. So very simple answer. For example, 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. So 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. So removal of HCl, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Remaining answer C6H5N2 plus BF4 minus. C6H5, right? N2 plus BF4 minus. N2 plus BF4 minus. So this is intermediate compound. Intermediate compound C6H5N2 plus BF4 minus. And further action of heat. Then C6H5N2 plus BF4 minus converted into very simple answer. First of all, byproduct nitrogen molecule, formula N2, nitrogen molecule. Next byproduct is boron trichloride, formula BF3, boron trichloride. So nitrogen molecule, boron trichloride, BF3, and remaining answer C6H5, and only one chlorine atom. Compound name is fluorobenzene. Okay, fluorobenzene. So first one benzene, next one fluorobenzene. So this is chlorine atom. So fluorobenzene. First of all, benzene dialuminate chloride salt C6H5N2 plus Cl minus treated with fluoroboric acid HBF4. So 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine, removal of HCl. Remaining answer C6H5N2 plus BF4 minus intermediate, and further action of heat. First of all, byproducts dinitrogen, boron trichloride BF3, remaining C6H5, remaining chlorine atom. So compound name is fluorobenzene. So first one action of hypophosphorus acid plus water, main compound benzene. Second one action of fluoroboric acid, main compound is fluorobenzene. Okay, and next one. Seventh one, action of sodium nitrite, NaNO2, and cuprous oxide, Cu2O. So first of all, diazonium chloride salt, benzene diazonium chloride salt, formula C6H5N2 plus Cl minus, plus sodium nitrite, formula NaNO2, sodium nitrite formula NaNO2, or fluoroboric acid. First of all, fluoroboric acid formula HBF4, fluoroboric acid HBF4. Okay, so very simple answer. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine, removal of HCl, removal of hydrochloric acid. Remaining answer C6H5N2 plus BF4 minus, C6H5, okay, N2 plus BF4 minus, and further this compound treated with sodium nitrite formula NaNO2 and cuprous oxide Cu2O, and action of heat. So action of sodium nitrite NaNO2 and cuprous oxide Cu2O. Very simple. First of all, byproduct NaBF4 minus. So NaBF4 plus nitrogen molecule. So remaining answer C6H5, okay, C6H5, next NO2, and main compound is nitrobenzene. Okay, so first of all, benzene diazonium chloride salt. Next, fluoroboric acid formula HBF4, 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine, so removal of HCl. Then benzene diazonium chloride salt converted into C6H5N2 plus BF4 minus, intermediate compound. Further action of heat, and sodium nitrate NaNO2, cuprous oxide Cu2O. So very simple, NaBF4, dinitrogen. Remaining answer C6H5NO2, compound name is nitrobenzene. Okay. So first property is Arrhenius reaction. second property Gatterman reaction, third one action of potassium iodide, fourth one action of water, fifth one hypophosphorus acid H3PO2 plus water, and sixth one reaction with chloroboric acid HBl4, and seventh one sodium nitrate and cuprous oxide. So main product is nitrobenzene. Okay, and remaining properties we will discuss in next class. Okay, right.